Hey, it's Ken Wilson with Pristine Clean. I'm here in the shop getting ready for the 2024 power washing season, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our sealer that we use. A lot of people ask what type of sealer. You can see all the way up and down. We have our sealer that we use, and we're stocking up for it because we use tons of it. I think we use about over 10,000 of these 5-gallon sealers that we get from Sherwin-Williams. It's called Conflex. It's a really good 7% Silane Siloxane sealer that we use. It's specifically designed for aggregate concrete, which is concrete that has, holes. It's porous, and so it's a penetrating sealer. It goes deep down into the concrete, so it makes the concrete more resistant to cracking, chipping, surface pitting, all that stuff, and even helps mitigate staining, things like that. So it's super important to use a sealer for your concrete because it's just going to help with all of those types of things. Plus, it's just good to do regular washing and sealing anyway every couple years of your aggregate concrete. That would be your concrete driveway, patios, walkways, things like that. So yeah, Ken with Pristine Clean, just want to help you out.